Hi guys, it's Alex from Ballade Sports, and I'm gonna show you a project, a DIY project that I'm working on. And this is my Accord, and what I'm doing is I've gotten a little paranoid over the past couple weeks because of the fact that I'm sure you guys have heard of over here in Orange County, the Aiden was like a 6-year-old boy that got shot and killed by a road rage incident.
The California Highway Patrol announcing the arrest of 2 suspects in the road rage shooting death of the 6-year-old boy last month. Authorities say the road rage incident unfolded after a perceived unsafe lane change between the suspects driving a white Volkswagen station wagon and the family's Chevy Sonic. Moments later, someone opened fire. A single shot went through the family's car, killing Aiden.
So what ended up happening was he was in the passenger seat here, I think in his little booster seat, and the bullet came through the trunk, through the back seats here, and hit him in the stomach and killed him. He bled out to death. That turned out to be my friend's employee's son, and so I got firsthand on all the everything that had gone on, all from the police report and so on and so forth. Long story short is, it made me want to make something that can maybe give us a little protection. This is something I bought online, is a ballistics armor. These pads right here, these are ballistics armor. These are level 3. This one's level 3A plus, which can stop a 9mm round and a 45 at high velocity. And since I couldn't find anything that I could just buy straight out, you could buy bulletproof vests and all that stuff, but nothing to really protect the cars. And I'm not trying to like armor my vehicle per se, like the way companies, big companies, they'll armor the door panel lining, the bulletproof glass, all that stuff. Just something a little bit more protection for me and my spouse. So this is kind of a DIY project that I made up. That I bought this car seat organizer that straps to the back of your seat here.
My apologies. I couldn't.
And then what I did was I used a fabric Velcro right here, and then I also stapled it onto the back of the seat organizer. And then so I'm gonna mount it real quick and show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, so that's it. I just installed the car seat organizer, so it still functions perfectly as a car seat organizer on the back of your seat. This is my 2019 Accord. And then behind it, I have my ballistics armor right here. Now the strike face part is where you would want the bullet to hit. So anything you find that says strike face, that's where the direction you want it to hit. Not this side. You wouldn't want to put it like this. I mounted it like this, essentially. And then this gives just a little bit of protection, for the driver. I know there's no head protection, and obviously everybody in the comments can talk about this and that, and you're not protected this and that, and you're right, but this just helps me sleep a little bit better. And anyways, so now everybody's going to talk about the back. Now, because Aiden, essentially, the bullet went through the back here, and that's how he got killed. So let me open up the back here. So the bullet went through the trunk, into the back seat, and struck him through the back there. Sorry, excuse my stuff here. Put my seats down. So this I thought was actually a little even easier, essentially, to do, because of the fact that all these panels are flat back here. Since they're flat, same thing. I just use this fabric Velcro. This one's on the opposite side. This is the wrong side for this one, but I have more of these pads here, and essentially I'm just gonna fabric Velcro them to the back of the seats here. So this is a 14 by 11 inch plate. So this one will get 2. I'm gonna put 2 right here, and then one right here. Where I'm gonna position, I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm trying to get it to where it doesn't impede anything here. And it's soft armor. So I was thinking about metal plates just in case of high velocity, or in case of like rifle rounds, but metal plates, if the car got in an accident and the metal plates flew out and hit something, maybe that could injure somebody or injure a passenger in here. So I don't want that. So I decided on these soft armor plates. And like, again, this is a level 3 A plus is what it says on the back here. And that's supposed to be able to do high velocity 9mm and 45 caliber. So that's what it's gonna look like. Again, this is just a DIY project that I'm doing for myself. It's stupid that we have to even think about these things now. But at the same time, this is the world we live in right now, where people are getting shot at on the freeway. You know, it's really ridiculous. And I wish it didn't have to be like this, but call me a little paranoid, but I'm just basically wanting to make sure me and my family are safe in my vehicle and in my spouse's vehicle. But this is something that I couldn't find online to just buy as far as this solution for the driver. So let me know what you guys think about this. You know, this is pretty subtle. I thought right here it was gonna like impede my driving, or you know, this little cable right here that straps around the back. But when I sit down, really no problems. I don't even feel it. You know, and back here, I don't even see the headrest, or it doesn't even touch me on the headrest, so it doesn't bother me at all. Sorry for this video, it's a little quick and crude, but I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time. It's not like a professional video. I just wanted to show you guys something that I'm doing for myself. So as we were talking about these ballistic plates, then I started looking at our car seat here, you know, for guys that, you know, daily drive with your seat. Look, this fits right into the padding right here. You could literally have your own ballistic seat right here if you have a bucket seat, and these weigh about 1.5 pounds. It's kind of cool. Can't even notice.